So now, you want to know Radharani, how Radharani would respond after Krishna gave all these words of rejection, negligence, and go home. And so she said, so Radharani is going to let him have it, as they say. She's going to chastise him. So now Mahaprabhu reveals Radharani's mood. Nagar kaha tumi karya nishchoy, e tri jagat pari, ache jatta yogya nari, tomara veno kahan, na akarshaya. O lover, O Nagar, please answer just one question. In other words, they say, please make it very nishcha, make it very clear to us. Who among all the youthful women within the universe is not attracted by the sound of your flute? Tomara Venu. Kahan. Who is not attracted? Kaila Jagate Venu Dwani Siddha Mantra Yogini. Duktihana Mohe Nariman. Mahot Kanta Badana Arya Pata Chadan. Ani Tomaya Kare Samarpan. When you play your flute, Krishna, the vibration acts like a messenger, duti, in the form of a yogini,